it's recording. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are learning some more. Why is my voice like that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are learning some more fun math. So this time we're learning about speed, which I just learned in 5th grade. Like this week, I just learned it this week, but I've got the hang of it. Okay, just trust me. Okay, trust me. So it's only one question, one easy question, but I'm gonna try to make it 5 minutes, which I don't know I can make, but yeah, I'm just spending time talking like this, so maybe I can. But maybe I can't. Maybe I can. Maybe I can't. Okay, so let's see the question. So is it supposed to be me? I mean, oh my god. Blondie and Blackie, Brunetti, I don't know, whatever, here. Yeah, that, I don't know. So let's see the question. Yesterday I walked. I didn't even get out of my house yesterday, except for except for school. But okay, whatever. So yesterday I walked 12 kilometers. Yesterday I walked 12 kilometers in the stadium at an average speed of 2.5 kilometer per hour. For how long did I walk in the park? So usually, like there's variables for this, like okay, so we're just gonna make it like this. Okay, so let's see. Let's say V equals S per T, and let's say V is velocity, which is speed, and S is spatium, or distance, and T is time. So speed equals distance divided by time. So velocity, the speed, is 2.5 kilometer per hour, which is gonna be V, and the S, which is the distance or spatium, is 12 kilometers. And this is for how long that I walked in the park. We don't know the time, so we're just still gonna put T, okay? So we can actually do this by just like changing it around, just put T over here. You add the 1 and then you take 2 over here, just. Okay, that was cringe. So to find out what is the T, we're gonna do this. Just flip it around. So we put the T over here, so we know. So if you guys don't know, and it's still in 3rd grade, if you guys don't know, if you put something over or under the equal sign, like it's the opposite. So this is divide, This is divide by t. So when you flip it around over here, it changes to times 3. Okay. So 2.5 times t, which is, oh, what is this? 25t. 25t. 2.5t equals 12. So we're gonna flip things around still and put this over here. So it turns to t equals 12 divided by 2.5, because this is times by 2.5 and now it's divided by the opposite. Okay. So if you guys don't know how to divide things, which is in decimal numbers, you don't do the normal thing like this. No. It's not like this. Okay, it's different. So 12 divided by 2.5. I'm sorry, in Indonesia here, the point sign is like the comma sign, like this, like a 9. But like in Indonesia, the comma sign is, wait a second. So in Indonesia, this is a comma sign, and wait a minute. Okay, that's not important. So how we do the divide by decimal numbers is like this. So if there's a decimal number, we times it by 10, which is going to be 25. And to be the same, this needs to be times by 10 too, which is 120. So now we can actually do the normal divide by, which is like this. Okay, so of course we know 100 divided by 25 is 4. If you guys don't know, it's really easy to remember, but I'm not telling you to remember, but it's what I already remember, okay? So 25 times 2, 50, and 50 times 2 again is 100. So I remember 25 times 4 is 100. Okay? So this is 4, 100, minus, it can't be 5, because if it's 5, it's 125, which is 25 times 4 plus 25 times 1, which is 100 plus 25, which is 125, not 120. This is 120. So, okay, 0, yeah, 0, 20, right? So this is actually like not a whole number. It's a decimal number, but I promise it's not like 4. I promise it's not 4.777777777777777777. I promise it's not that. I promise it's actually a normal, not normal number. A normal decimal number. Okay. So we put another 0 here and put a comma there, point there, and then 200 divided by 25 is of course 8, because 4 times 25 I remember is 100, and if it's 200, it's the double, that's 8. So it is 4.8 hours. But we want to make it to minutes. How many minutes? So if you guys don't know how to find minutes, is 4.8 times 60, which is how many minutes is 1 hour. And I'm gonna show you how to times the faster way, how to times decimal numbers. So we just do the same thing like before, but a little different because it's times now. So it's 4, 8. All right. Why do I always make a ghost with my 8? What is wrong with my 8? Okay. So this we have to times 10, so it'll be a whole number. Okay. So it'll be a whole number. We're just going to be, can they see it? Okay. Which is going to be 48. Hold on. You guys can't see it now, right? Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, the green screen doesn't go anymore. Okay. So this is 48 times. But this is times, not divided by. So this isn't, so if this times 10, this divides by 10. Not times 10, because look, okay? 2 times 4 equals 8. And let's see if we times this by 2, this becomes 8. And we need the answer to still be the same. 8 times. If we times this also by 2, it will be 32. Okay, it's different with times, with multiplication, right? Multiplication and division. Division is definitely different. So this needs to be divided by 10, which is 6. Okay, 6. Okay, so 6 times by 48 is there you go, hold on. 6 times by 48 equals 6 times 8 equals 48. 8, 4, and 6 times 4 is 24. 8 plus 4. So it's 288 minutes. Alright guys, we solved another question. And minutes, and which is 4.8 hours. Okay. Alright guys, we solved another question, and that is actually the only question of the day. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye guys!